Anybody else go for a... Did you?
Perfect. Because of otherwise. Doing the other side. Take the chair out and bring it.
Be gentle though, guys.
Yeah, I was going to say. Yeah. You can do this. Yes. Oh my God. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I think it was mind blowing.
Yeah. I learned a lot of new stuff.
Having kind of the mix of the vocabulary and that kind of scientific vocabulary, but also then that kind of hands-on where they got to investigate and try things out, adapt their kind of creations was fantastic.
It was really cool because we got to see the model in its action. It's a really enjoyable experience and you get to learn a lot.
Pounds if you want to think of it that way. 20 tokens. 13. You've got to get the answer right first time, so make sure you know. And then, as you said, well done.
And it was lovely to see them all working in teams and working so cooperatively, and the enthusiasm that it's brought to the classroom for this morning has been fantastic, so thank you, it was wonderful.
Now, bubbles might seem a little bit silly, but they're not, they're really clever.
We're at Nuneaton BMX Club here in Warwickshire. We've been here for the last 2 weeks on the half programme with young people of all ages, aged between 6 and 14. The current world champion is actually from this country, called Beth Shriver, and I think she's inspired quite a lot of girls to get involved in the sport, having won the Olympics as well back in 2021. So seeing the amount of girls coming into these half programmes has been fantastic.
Hi, so I'm Mike Riddler, Managing Director of ElevationX, and we are one of the providers on the Wiltshire Council Fuel programme. We've been delighted to partner with the Council again to deliver a wide range of fun, engaging activities alongside fantastic nutrition workshops by Purely Nutrition, and deliver wholesome food for the participants to eat at lunchtime, provided by the Occasional Kitchen.
Restaurant!